Pétanque, locally in Provence, Occitan, petanca, also Catalan, or as a sport that falls into the category of boules sports, along with raffa, bocce, boule lyonnaise, lawn bowls, and crown green bowling. In all of these sports, players or teams play their boules balls towards a target ball. In petanque, the objective is to score points by having boules closer to the target than the opponent after all boules have been thrown. This is achieved by throwing or rolling boules closer to the small target ball, officially called a jack, or by hitting the opponent's boules away from the target while standing inside a circle with both feet on the ground. The game is normally and best played on hard dirt or gravel. It can be played in public areas in parks or in dedicated facilities called boulodromes. The current form of the game was codified in 1907 or 1910 in La Ciotat, in Provence, France. The French name pétanque comes from petanca and the Provençal dialect of the Occitan language, deriving from the expression pétanquat, meaning foot fixed or foot planted. Boules games have a very long history, dating back through the Middle Ages to ancient Rome, and before that to ancient Greece and Egypt. In France in the second half of the 19th century, a form of boules known as jeu provençal was extremely popular. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.